Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open games on Steam. First, launch the Steam client application on your computer. Once it's open, navigate to the Library tab, which is where all your purchased games reside. Simply select the game you wish to play from your collection, and then click the prominent Play button. This will initiate the game launch process, getting you into the action quickly and efficiently. It's the most straightforward method for starting any title. Beyond the basic library launch, there are several convenient ways to start your favorite games. You can create a desktop shortcut for any game directly from Steam, allowing for one-click access. Alternatively, right-clicking a game in your library reveals a context menu with various launch options, including specific game modes. For large libraries, the search bar at the top of the client is incredibly useful for quickly locating and launching specific titles. Many sliding keyboards offer advanced features. You can often customize the keyboard's appearance with different themes or adjust its size for better comfort. Explore the settings to find options like haptic feedback, which provides a slight vibration with each touch. Adding frequently used words to your personal dictionary can also greatly improve accuracy and speed. For those looking to customize their gaming experience, Steam offers several advanced settings. You can configure specific launch options for individual games, allowing you to add command line arguments for unique startup behaviors. Checking a game's properties also lets you adjust language preferences and controller settings. Furthermore, Steam's Big Picture mode provides a full-screen, console-like interface, perfect for playing games from your couch with a gamepad.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.